Hi, Dr. Heather here from Wellspring Chiropractic Lifestyle Center. Today I want to give you a helpful tip on how to get your neck healthier. And if you struggle with any kind of neck pain or discomfort, then this is an exercise that can be very useful for you. First, I want you to understand what's happening with the biomechanics, the science behind this. So your neck should have a healthy forward curve of the bones. And when it has that healthy forward curve with the bones, the muscles and the soft tissue are going to support that. The muscles are designed to work best with a curve in the spine. The same way if we look at this rubber band, if we have a forward curve in the neck, it's kind of like a bow and arrow, right? And so this is how bows should work properly if they have a curve with the tension in the elastic band. That represents the muscles. If, however, we lose the curve in the neck, so that we have a reversal of that curve, using your devices too much, poor posture, right? Now those muscles are really tight and they're going to be pulling and causing problems. So in order to reinforce that curve, there's an exercise called the stargazer. So you just imagine in ancient days, we would have spent a lot of time gazing at the clouds and the sky and the stars and the trees. But today we're gazing at our devices with our heads down all the time. So we want to reconcile that. And so all we need to do is many times during the day have a beautiful arch backwards, gazing up at the stars, up at the sky, up at the ceiling if you're inside. But imagine that you're gazing at stars far away. And the key thing is it's not just crunching your neck back, it's actually arching the whole front of your body so it's all stretched as you're looking back over your head. So it's a gentle arc rather than a crunch. I hope that you found this useful. Please share it with everybody you know that uses their devices way too much. And I hope that this helps, and I look forward to sharing more again with you soon.